Tiruvan University 2081 Bachelor's Level 4 years Program Science and Technology B.Sc 3rd year Operation Research Start 304 Elective New Course Subject Question Paper Full marks 50 time 2 hours. Here are two groups. Group A contains 30 marks. Group B contains 20 marks. Group A attempt any 6 question. Marks 6 into 5 equal 30. Question number 1. What do define primal and dual linear programming problem? Question number 2. Describe the objective of linear programming. Question number 3. Each year, the Redstone company purchases 20,000 of an item that costs Rs 16 per unit. The cost of placing an order is Rs 12 and the cost to hold the item for 1 year is 24% of the unit cost. Determine the economic order quantity EOQ and the average inventory level, assuming that the minimum inventory level is 0. Question number 4. Find the basic feasible solution for the problem below that minimizes the total transportation cost. Read carefully given information and find. Question number 5. A chartered accountant firm has 4 chartered accountants, each of whom can be assigned by of the 3 audit assignments. Because of the varying work experience of the chartered accounts, the net surplus professional fee minus expenses to be incurred by the CA firm varies as under. Read carefully given information and find. You are required to find the maximum net surplus which can be obtained. Question number 6. Convert the following primal problem into dual problem. Maximize z equal to x1 plus 5x2 plus 12x3 subject to x1 plus x2 plus x3 less equal to 80 to x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 greater equal to 10 x1 minus x2 plus 6x3 equal to 40 and x1 x2 x3 greater equal 0. Question number 7. Draw a network corresponding to the following information. Find the critical path and total project completion time. Read carefully given information and find. Group B. Attempt any 2 questions. Marks 2 into 10 equal to 20. Question number 8. Solve the following linear programming problem using simplex method. Minimize the cost Rs 300A plus Rs 800B subject to A plus B equal to 200, A less equal 40, B greater equal 30, where A, B greater equal 0. Question number 9. Find the sequence that minimizes the total time in hours required for performing the following jobs on 3 machines in the order ABC. Also compute the idle time on each machine. Read carefully given information and find. Question number 10. A small project composed of 8 activities and their time estimates are as follows. Read carefully given information and find. A. Draw a network diagram and find the expected project length. B. Find expected time and variance. C. Determine the critical path and critical activities. D. Determine the variance and standard deviation of critical path. E. What is the probability that the project will be completed within 41 days. B.Sc फर्स्ट इयर देखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वान एमको प्लेलिस्ट B.Sc मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोल्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनहरूको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन हाम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला। तपाईँले जुन जुन भिडियोहरू हेर्दै जानुहुन्छ ती भिडियोहरूमा लाइक कमेन्ट सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्दै पनि जानुहोला।